I was this close to failing college. Not because I wasn't smart, but because I was trapped in a cycle of lust I was too ashamed to admit. Every night felt like a battle, books versus temptation, and I was losing, badly. My energy was gone, my focus was destroyed, and my self-respect was disappearing day by day. Until one night, I hit rock bottom. I bombed a midterm I swore I would ace, and that failure slapped me in the face with a truth I had been ignoring. I wasn't losing to the subject, I was losing to myself. That night, instead of escaping again, I made a decision. I'm taking my mind back. I started researching everything about habits, discipline, and addiction. And that's when I discovered a simple framework, a 21-day reset. Not magic, not easy, but a short, focused sprint to rewire your brain and destroy the cycle of lust. This plan saved my grades, rebuilt my confidence, and gave me more mental clarity than I've ever had. Here's the exact blueprint. Week 1, the detox, hard reset. This week is all about breaking the loop. Step 1, brutally remove triggers. I installed aggressive website blockers. I stopped studying alone in my room. Every risky moment was replaced with the library or public spaces. Step 2, redirect the energy. I started working out daily, not for muscle, but to empty the restless, anxious energy that always pulled me back into urges. The goal of week 1 is simple. Make it difficult to fall back into the habit. Week 2, the rebuild. Reprogram your mind. Once the old pattern weakens, you replace it. Step 1, daily mindfulness. 10 minutes of meditation changed everything. It creates a gap between trigger to reaction. For the first time, I felt like I had control. Step 2, trigger journal. Whenever an urge hit, I wrote what triggered it, what I was feeling, what I actually needed. Patterns started revealing themselves. This journal alone was a game changer. Step 3, the reinforcement. Make it permanent. Now you lock in the new identity. Step 1, active visualization. Each morning, I visualized the disciplined version of myself, the one who controls his mind, not the one controlled by it. Step 2, urge surfing. Instead of fighting the urge, I observed it. No panic, no shame, just watching it rise and fall, because urges are temporary waves, not commands. This taught me something powerful. I'm in control, not the urge. Day 21, the transformation. By the end, my focus was razor sharp, my confidence came back, my grades went up, but more than anything, I stopped being a slave to my impulses. This challenge is not about surviving 21 days. It's about becoming the person you were meant to be. So here's my challenge to you. Start your 21-day reset today. Don't wait, don't overthink, just comment day 1 complete and let's build discipline together.